today to celebrate my son's wedding. I'm happy that everybody show up, and and the Dennison family came far away from New Mexico, Utah. They came here just to have the wedding done, and I'm grateful that they're here to join us to get this wedding, this event done. So thank you very much for everybody come here today just to have this event done. Thank you.
เอาได้จริงตอนนี้แต่ตอนนี้มา
I'm a crier. I always cry.
โยมุน
It's happy tears. I want to welcome all of you.
โยมุนเขาจะนอนอยู่
I'm so happy. I'll be okay. I'm just really, really happy that all of you are here to join us, share our joy. We gained a new daughter-in-law and a grandson. I know it's a hot day, and I appreciate all of you. You're my family, you're my friends, and all of you are
thank you
sincerely appreciative, especially my family that helped me today. The Denizens, thank you so much for your time and your travel and decorating this beautiful hall. It's hot, but I also want to thank everyone in my family that helped me today. If not for them, they knew who they are. I wouldn't have great food. I wanted everyone to have a good day today, a good time. I really, really did. So I hope you all understand that if I offended anyone, I'm just really hot. And so the heat offends me. It's super hot. But I also, I just want to let you know that I'm really, really happy. These are really tears of happiness. But I'm just a crier, and even though I'm happy, I cry. So I appreciate all of you for coming all the way from out of state, from out of town, even in town. And I'm found out we love the lake, and we thought that the lake would be a great setting, but I'm sorry it's hot. Anyways, I'd like to call up Mr. and Mrs. Dennison.
What education na? I appreciate everybody for being here today for our kids' wedding, celebration that we had today. I'm really happy for my daughter and
เสียเตี้ยเสียมา
my son too, my son-in-law. He's been in our family for like 14 years. I remember we came here to his graduation, high school graduation. Right after graduation, he didn't look back. He went home with us and never came home back over here. So ever since then, he's been down there. And I'm really happy for him, and I'm proud of him. And he treats us really, really good as parents. And he has a lot of respect for us, and we have a lot of respect for him. So we wouldn't mind, you know, we couldn't, we're supposed to have, especially if it's a woman for us, we're supposed to have the wedding at our home, but we talked it over. So that's the reason why we're here. But everything turned out good with all you relatives, friends, you know, that's how I think about them. And my grandson too, Leo say ciao. And he's my Che. Che is a grandpa in our language. That's what I call him, Che. And he understands a lot how we talk to him and how we raising him. So I'm just happy for my kids. You know, we're all here for them, and we're here for them. We took time off to be here from home, even though that things happened back home. We lost a loved one. My wife's nephew, he went on. So the parents, my father and mother-in-law is supposed to be here, but they're attending that, taking care of the service and everything back home. So this was already planned, so we didn't want to move it up. So I hope everybody's happy, everybody's full. You know, we did all we can to help. We put up our home too, down by the lake. We're so happy that, you know, it's up here. And we use that a lot, you know, having ceremonies in it. And it made us happy. So, you know, I'm happy that I'm here with my family. I have my sister over here, my brother-in-law, Nate, Shannon. Stand up, please. Right there. And all the kids, they're there, right there. And then my my grandpa, Romero and Nadalena Alvarez, family, right there. And all my kids, they're here with their kids, their family, their wife, they're all here too, so. And we made it out this far, so. I can't say much, but all I can say is that I'm happy, and what we've done here, another stepping stone that we did. So we'll take care, and everybody afterwards have a safe trip home. So that's all I'm going to say. And I want to say thank you to my wife. And we're here for our kids, and we made it this far. And we've been through all our kids' wedding, and we have one more, but he's still a baby, so. But anyways, I just want to say thank you to everybody. Yeah.
Good afternoon, everyone. I just want to say thank you to Pao and Lo, and also my son Philip, and your siblings. that we gained another family. I appreciate you guys. It has been 14 years ago that I've gained a son. It's not today. I've gained him since 14 years ago. He's always treated us with respect. He always loved us. He knows our tradition, our culture, and I think more than his own, because when I ask him a question, he said, I don't know, but he knows pretty much our culture and everything. So I just want to say thank you and congratulations. My daughter Jacquelina and my son Philip and my grandson Che Che. I really love you guys. I hope that you have a long, happy marriage. I'll tell you that it's not always sweet. There's ups and downs. It's like a roller coaster. The one thing is that you have respect for one another, love each other, and take care of baby. I just ask God to bless you and watch you as all the rest of my children. But I just want to let you know that I appreciate both of you. And also how we wish things were a lot different today. We were looking forward to this since December. But as time came, just this past Tuesday, I lost my nephew. But there was nothing I could do to pause, because I have my kids this future too. But we will take care of that as we go home. I just want to say thank you to Matthew and David for helping us and all Philip's extended family with the food, everything that was prepared. I also want to recognize I only have I have 4 siblings, but just 2 of them came out with their families. That was Nate and his family, and then also my sister Maddie and her family, and the rest of my kids, Arlen, Tyson, Shundeen, Jack, Tilton, Nano, and Miko. I appreciate each and every one of you. I'm sorry I've taken up this time, but I do want to let you guys know that I really appreciate you. Like I said, we did gain a family, and I'm happy. I know that we spent a lot financially to get this done, but I wanted to recognize and have an official marriage with all my children. But I just want to also let you know that the ceremony that just took place, there was no kiss, there was no, it was really different. It's cut short because we have to respect ourselves. We can't pray because of our loved one leaving. There's a lot of things that we didn't do, but God knows that what we did today is official. So I just want to thank every one of you. The food was good, and I just want to thank everyone. Thank you.
All
right, at this time, I want to ask if anybody wants to come and talk. Floor is open.